you guessed what it is yet? My YouTubers. A friend of mine at work, he raised lambs over in Westfield. Spring lamb, best of British. So I just want to show you what I got. Only got half a lamb this time. He was trying to get me to get a full one, but I ain't got the space. But let's have a look what we got. Nice leg there. There's loads, man. Like a lamb. That bit's really nice. It's like the rump, but you very rarely get it in a roast. You normally steak it off. That bit goes on there like that. That is a lovely roast. I'm looking forward to that. Shoulder. That's the other part of the shoulder, so I think that goes on there like that. That's going to be really nice, slowly roasted. That goes quick. This is one of my favourite cuts. The rack of lamb. I'm looking forward to that. Lamb chops. How thick they are. Chump chops. Same thickness. That was huge. Some more lamb chops. Same thickness. Got a lamb neck. That's actually quite nice in stews and curry. It's quite tough, but it's got really lovely flavour. I think there's something to do with that. What have we got? Mince. Do some coffee kebabs. Chamois kebabs. You can do anything with that. Got a good fat to meat ratio. Two of them. And then we've got a little offal. Liver. Kidneys. Heart. More heart. This lamb had 2 hearts, by the way. More liver. I did a liver dish on my YouTube channel. Go and check it out. Don't be scared of liver. It's nice. Kidneys. Kidneys. Get in and get pens, mate. Kidneys. Yeah, check that kidney out. let's have a recap. Mince. Shoulder of lamb. Shoulder of lamb. Rack of lamb. This is the rump, the top half of the leg. And we've got a leg. There's a bit of meat on that. We've got the neck, chops, chops, and chops, and all the offal. Well, I think I'll leave it there. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'm going to make some, probably make some dishes on the channel with all this. Don't know yet. Definitely make some kebabs out of this. Shoulders, I'm looking forward to them. And these lamb chops, these aren't going to last long. These are going to be cooked probably this weekend. Right. Ciao.